What's up? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Jake Paul Witness.
It's a video.
Shout out to Jake Paul.
I don't know why he's rapping, honestly.
Nah, he's always made rap music. He's always made hip hop. Let me just say hip hop, not rap. But yeah, yeah. Dog, this nigga has way too much money. He can do anything.
Well, first of all, he's not that, but okay.
What?
He's not an N-word, but okay.
Okay. He has a Samoan tribal tattoo.
So?
If he can be Samoan, he can be a nigga.
I know I'm not American, right? But I will gladly punch him if he uses the N-word. I have no problem doing that.
Yeah, good luck. He would fuck you up.
That's why we stand.
This video shot on an old VHS camera during... Why do you feel they need to say that? Marketing scheme?
Exactly, but the video is in 4K, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, the video is in 4K. Yeah, they probably upscaled it. Aight, Jake. Aight. Okay.
You didn't even hear him. It's just a beat.
Okay. You can tell that somebody's gonna get it just by their beat choices.
How much do you want to bet?
We can bet.
Okay.
We can bet.
What's that?
With this fight back going Gulfstream all year, going big on you boys. GTB and SF90 in garage. Please.
Now you know what car it is. SF90 in your garage.
I thought it was an F8.
Yeah, you thought wrong. You broke.
Please don't make me list up the toys. I've been trying to keep it humble for
That's a
y'all, but the
F8,
watch
bro.
1 to 90 in garage.
I don't give a shit.
That's an F8.
I don't give a shit. I'm listening to Jake.
Fuck him. This is an F8.
Please don't make me list up the toys. I've been trying to keep it humble for y'all, but the watch 1 to 10, I'm sick of the noise. It's a daily, I don't feel no remorse. As I cover, but she feeling my voice. In a $16 million crib, couple acres where I sit and record. You would
Ah!
What's
Tell
pause
me-
about that?
Tell me this flow is not working.
It is working.
It is working.
Of course.
This nigga.
1 to 10, I'm sick of the noise. It's a daily, I don't feel no remorse. As I cover, but she feeling
Condiment is the rightful word. It doesn't start with an N. And it rhymes with a pack.
my voice. In a $16 million crib, couple acres where I sit and record. You would think this shit was filling the void. Hungry like I never been here before. Fuck a 1 a day, I did 2 a days, 3 a days, that's what opened the door. Chasing paydays, ended up on the floor. And I'm still staying poised, and we've been in a different bracket. Put my name up with the highest paid, top 10 for anyone asking. Fucked around and overlapped them, gapped them, they was caught up with relaxing. I've been laying out a blueprint for them. I've been doing it in fashion. Documentary on Netflix now, so they can tell you how it happened.
I want to watch the documentary, by the way. I want to watch the documentary. It's on my watch list.
My family loves Jake. My own fucking
That original
family
feeling?
loves this little white motherfucker, you know what I mean? Yo, wait. He got balls. He got a fucking ball. You see a white boy with balls, you know? Fuck, I'm talking about
White boy is balling.
You, motherfucker.
The Paul name worth $1 billion. A B in it gone like a synonym. Cleveland couldn't see the vision then. Me and Brown made them witnessing. Kale's got them all listening. I've been feeling like I'm Johnny Depp on the
Okay, why are the lyrics on the screen?
I mean, here's one thing I'll say, bro. I just wanna say this. While we still, Jake Paul and Logan Paul get a lot of hate, but bruh, I'm such a fan. Not of the like individual like stuff that they have going on, but of their hustle. Like they get so much hate from people, and I'm like, these niggas are making money.
They're
Like,
not N-words. What the hell is wrong with you?
dog, who the fuck cares? Like, anyone can tell it's not black. Why the fuck do you feel the need to say? That's what I'm saying. The hate on these guys is like the hate on this guy. I made a video where we've made videos where I called white people N-words. Literally, I've
I
said
can't recall.
I've said that about Eminem. I was like, this nigga can rap. You're like, yeah, this nigga can rap. I said a nigga.
I don't use that word, by the way.
But that's what I'm saying. Jake Paul is that good, bro. Like Jake Paul is
Okay, cool.
like niggas. No, but listen.
He's Andrew Tate without charisma.
What? He's not Andrew Tate. What do you mean? He's Andrew
Like
Tate.
I'm saying, getting to the money.
No, how is that?
Andrew Tate is money.
The whole time you've known Andrew Tate has been rich. What are you talking
Yes,
about?
even him.
Yeah, but not to the level that he's rich now.
I've never known
And
him. I've
the-
only
and
known
the-
him when he had
and
money.
the-
I don't know Jake Paul.
You don't know what
I
Andrew
know
Tate's
that.
hustle is. You don't know what his hustle is.
I don't know what his hustle is.
Clearly, it's everything. It's everything.
But you
It's
say-
being an entertainer.
but
It's
you-
also it's also boxing. It's all of those
Yes, that's
things.
because you know. I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
In the beginning of the video, they clearly said it, and you can see this is Nate Diaz. It's a fight that's about to happen. It's a
I know
boxing
that
fight.
fights. The point that I'm
Then why are you
making
saying you
is
don't know what he makes money from?
I've known him as he's the rich guy that has
But
YouTube channel.
but you know that he's making money from fighting now. You know
Now,
that.
yes, but I'm saying
Then don't say you don't know. That's what I'm saying. People.
I don't know him.
People and hating on.
I don't
on-
hate. I
on
don't
this
know him.
guy.
So I
It's
must say I
just-
know him even when I don't know him. I don't know him.
But it's-
I don't know where he got the money. Ever since I knew him, he had money.
He made money from YouTube. Obviously, where did you know him from? Oh wait, where did you know him from? Where did you know him
I've
from?
only known him from online, dog.
Doing what?
I don't know.
Doing what?
He's one of those people that always been on blogs and always been on YouTube.
Doing what?
I don't know.
So you don't know what he's been doing, but you've known him.
I know
online.
that he has a YouTube channel that I've known. But I
So he
don't,
makes money from YouTube.
everyone who has a YouTube channel makes money from YouTube. The point that I'm making is I've never known whether he comes from a poor background, from a wealthy background. I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
That's what I'm saying. I've always known him as the guy who has a YouTube channel and Lamborghinis.
So he makes money from YouTube.
Now I know.
Flying fox in the Caribbean. The goal was never to be fitting in. Security keeping the effing in. Me and the money are best of friends. Alec Monopoly collection. All the knockouts with the right hand, but the riches look good on the left hand. Gonna marry the queen of the Netherlands. Benny Frank gonna be the best man. Try to tell you way too many times.
Nice woman too, Jake.
Hand, but the riches look good on the left hand.
No, man. Is he the guy that ran away when he saw Mayweather?
No, he's never ran away from when he saw Mayweather.
Then it's his brother then.
I honestly think he would give Mayweather.
No,
Ahead of
there's
the
a
time
video
as
that I
well.
saw on Instagram. He ran when he saw Mayweather. It was either him or his brother.
No, it was. I think it was when he's never ran from Mayweather. There was a time where he took Mayweather's cap,
No, it
And-
wasn't that.
and
The one that
Mayweather
I'm
was
saying,
trying to
he
kill
was
him
with
back.
people. Mayweather came and he started running.
I don't think this guy was scared of Mayweather. There's no way.
There's a video that I saw.
Queen of the Netherlands. Benny Frank gonna be the best
Hey, good eye, Jake. Good
man. Try
eye.
to tell you way too many times. That I'm too so wax. Figure out my girl. Do that mean I got 2 O's? 26 with a net worth like this. You think I figured out a loophole? Y'all done let me get into a new mode. Virgil Maybach two-tone. Got me feeling two-zone. Pesos coming in plumo. Feel like a robbery. Lead the arena, money in the plastic. The pay-per-views was immaculate. Numbers looking like a Taylor Swift drop. Call my manager to handle it. Your local manager couldn't manage it. This the feeling of a champion. This the feeling of the... It's how I feel to be outstanding.
Why the hell is Mike?
I think they were doing a podcast.
Yeah, what? Oh, dogs in planes. Is that even allowed?
There was a dog in the car. If it's allowed in the plane, it has to be allowed in
No,
there.
but yeah, but
Do you know what's-
thingy? It's not the same. Even the air and stuff like that. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, but I think the only reason they put dogs in carriages because they get rowdy and erratic.
Yeah, but this is in the private jet. That's why I'm asking. Like, what's going on?
But yeah,
Anyway,
that was Jake Paul.
what's the name of that song? I forgot. Whatever.
That was Jake Paul.
Witness.
Yeah, man. Shout out to the Paul brothers. Hey, I'm all for people getting money, and I just like it when I see them win because of all the hate they get. Granted, some of it is warranted, but hey, most of Jake's like hate is really not. Like, it's really not. But yeah, shout out to them. And Logan Paul, he's been doing amazing things on WWE also. I've been watching his matches, his pay-per-view matches. They're awesome. But yeah, cool. Please like, subscribe. Yeah, and suggest some videos for us, guys. Please. We're on a road to 500 subscribers, so please subscribe. Please. Yeah, thank you.
And send it to your sister.